The jumpers are going to pop out of this helicopter. And we're going to show you the fine art of skydiving. Oh, I'm too old to be bending over like this. Right, I see smoke coming off of the helicopter. And in just a few moments, we should have jumpers away. Oh, and they're going to fly right through the sun. Here we go. One away. There's 2, 3. And there's number 4. We got 1, 2, 3 good shoots waiting for number 4. Bingo! We got it. 4 good shoots. All right. Now these are the short, the ram air canopies. They're square, not like the round ones that used to be used during World War II. These are fully controllable with a forward speed of about 22 miles an hour. They fly very similar to the wing of an airplane. And the way you steer them is you have a couple of toggles, one in your left hand, one in your right. You want it to turn left, you pull down on the left toggle. You want it to go right, you pull down on the right toggle. Pretty simple stuff. Oh, and when you land, you have to flare like an airplane. So you pull both toggles down. What that does is that flares the landing, brings the landing speed down, and allows for stand-up landings. Now, one of the great things is right now they can hear you. So let's raise the roof, everybody. Oh, yeah, let's show them how much you appreciate them being here today. Here we go. Smoke is on. The runway is in sight. Let's raise the roof. Watch the toggles. Both hands. There's the flare. Beautiful landing. Wow. Awesome. Here comes number 2. Lined up. Looking for the ground. It's easy to find. Here comes the landing flare. Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right, that's number 3 coming in. Notice, look at that parachute. Square, fairly good size. They have smaller ones. They come in much faster. They're called swoop chutes. These are not them. Here comes the landing. Watch the toggles. Whee! Beautiful. Absolutely perfect. And here comes the last one, tail end Charlie with the American flag. Looking for a place to land. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause? The United States Military Academy Skydivers. Well done.